Hey guys, my name is Saimatan. I'm going to teach you how to solve a 2 by 2 Rubik's cube. Let's start. Now I'm going to teach you how to move the cube. This is right move, right inverted, left move, left inverted, up move, up inverted, down move, down inverted, back move, back inverted. Now let's start by solving the cube. The first step is to solve the first layer. For solving the first layer, we should match the corners. Here is red, yellow, blue corner. We should find the red, yellow corner. Here is the red, yellow, green corner. We should match this corner with this corner by doing this move. Now this corner is matched. Now we should find the next corner. Here is the red, green, yellow corner. Here is the red, green, white corner. We should match this corner with this corner. Or then we should do this algorithm. Right, up, right inverted. Now the corner is solved. Now the next corner is over here. For solving this corner, we should do this algorithm. Right, up, right inverted, up inverted, 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 right, up, right inverted. We should do this algorithm until the first layer is solved. Now this corner is already placed in the correct place. We should keep this corner like this and do this algorithm. Up, right, right inverted, left, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. Now this 2 is solved and the other corners are placed in the correct place. Now we should keep the cube upside down and do this algorithm. Right, up, right inverted, up inverted, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, right, up, right inverted. Now this corner is solved. We should take the next corner. Here is the next corner. We should keep the corner over here and do this algorithm again. Right, up, right inverted, right, up, right inverted. Now the cube is solved.